River, come. Listen, I can't explain things to you. I know say if you don't know wetin dey go down for the country, but the hungry way they catch you, suppose let you know say things no dey the way e dey for the country again. Everywhere don reach. At least you enjoy, you chop chicken. But the matter now be say things no clear that way e dey. Everywhere don red for Nigeria. Country hard, bad government don make things no dey go way again. So I come say I come let you know how far. I cook one noodles, Indomie one, make our two share. You know say I love you. You know I love you. So wetin go happen be say you go eat this one whole body. I dey pity you. Your belle don small finish. As you no dey enjoy, na so me no dey enjoy too. So we in this together. We in this together. We will come out strong. Huh? River. So eat this one whole body. Eat.